Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I'm going to be showing you guys how you can cop the Air Max 97 Undefeated UCLA colorway sneakers. These ones, they were just called the white colorway on the Snkrs app, but I mean pretty much everyone's been calling them the UCLA colorway. So these ones have a decent amount of hype. I personally think they look a little bit better than some of the other colorways that have been dropped with Undefeated in this exact model, but you know, we'll kind of discuss resale and all that because some of the other ones have done decent at least, so I feel like these ones have potential for sure. So I hope you guys will enjoy. Again, I do plenty of how to cop content, sneaker investment videos. Just, you know, we're gonna get into sneaker botting more and all that, so just stay tuned for that. And yeah, you know, just really a lot of content. So if that's what you guys kind of enjoy, subscribe and like down below. Goals 200 likes, I'd appreciate if you could hit that. And yeah, you know, you guys have been showing a lot of love lately, so thank you guys for the constant support. I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna keep posting good content as often as I can for you guys. And yeah, you know, that's really everything I got to say there, other than if you haven't joined my Discord down below, you're missing out. It's a good time down there. And shout out to everybody that's already in there, and you know, shows love. Just thank you all. Seriously, you guys make my day. So that's all I gotta say. Let's get into showing you guys how you can cop this pair of sneakers right here. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm here with the screen recording, and basically, you know, this is just my Instagram again. I always shout this out like every video. So if you haven't been checking these out down below, then, you know, go check out my Instagram. So give them a follow there, and I'm gonna be posting some stuff on the resale page shortly, so stay tuned. But aside from that, let's kind of just get into this video and show you guys how you can cop these beauty of an Air Max 97 sneakers right here. So as you guys can see, these ones again are collaboration with Undefeated. How you can tell that they're collaboration with Undefeated is kind of, again, they kind of got them all over the sneaker. You can see Undefeated just kind of goes around the outside kind of lining there. I guess you could call it that. But yeah, I also believe that these are reflective too, because I mean, I think they are. I don't have any proof that they are, but again, I just kind of look at some of the close details. These are very nice, but we'll get into those in a second. I really just want to discuss again, these are retailing at $180, and also they're dropping on January 8th at 10 a.m. Eastern time. This is the only confirmed place that we have as of right now. There's no other place that we have confirmed as of right now, not even the Undefeated website. We will discuss that, but this is like literally the only confirmed place as of right now where these are dropping. So are these exclusive? I mean, a lot of pairs will probably drop on here, but to answer you, yes, they are. So they will resell decently well, and I think this colorway personally stands out a little bit more heading into like the summertime. So I think this is going to be a colorway that does a little bit better than the others for some good reasons, because I honestly think this isn't going to be one that, you know, is just like, you know, the people that like Undefeated, you know, go for it. Like, this is going to be one that people maybe that don't even just like that don't even like Undefeated, but like, you know, just kind of looking for a sneaker that looks good. And this one is a very nice looking pair of Air Max 97s. Now they could probably just go buy a normal UCLA pair of Air Max 97s, but they might want, you know, some of the spice. So again, this one could go for a little bit more, but just, we already explained the time when it's dropping and all that. You can see it right here, so do not forget that. Kind of save it, because this is definitely worth it for the 180 after taxes and shipping and everything. You'll probably pay like, I'm thinking it'll be like a 195, like that's what I'm thinking it'll be around, like 195, so not really too bad. But let's just kind of get into the resale right now. So looking at these, you do have people asking almost $500 for these right now, but I'm gonna keep it real. People are not looking to pay that right now. Again, you can look at and see what the pairs are going for. That, like the smaller pair, like these sizes, this isn't accurate because I'd have to go look at like GS sizes and see what they're going for. But this is kind of like what people are trying to sell these sizes for right now. They're trying to sell them for 500, like 540, 580, but that's not, I haven't seen any sale for that as of right now. I've only seen, like, there's not even any sales in the size 11 and a half right now. But if I go look at all of them, I think there's only like 6 sales. Yeah, like there's some that have been at 500 right now, but there's some that have been selling also like 290. So I'm thinking personally, my estimation on what these are going to resell for, kind of seeing just based off what pairs are reselling for right now, I'm thinking these are going to do better than the other ones at first. They may drop a bit, but I'm thinking this is honestly one that might be a little bit good to kind of hold a bit, because I for some reason, I'm just feeling like it's going to do well. And I don't know what the other ones necessarily are going for. I think those ones are actually kind of just sitting around like 220, 240, so not anything too crazy. But this one, at first, I'm thinking again 260, 280. That's my estimation. I forgot to say it at first, but 260, 280 is my estimation. Maybe a little bit less. It could go like 240. That's actually kind of realistic, but just kind of in that range. Just keep in mind, you will make profit going for this one. So it is kind of just worth it, you know, go out there, go for it, sell it, because, you know, it is a low, you know, 50 bucks there if you do cop it. So why not, you know? It's just something there. And it's also, I kind of would like to have this sneaker, to be honest. I think it's dope. I'm pretty sure Undefeated is based in Japan, so I just want to know a little bit about Undefeated. But again, I just think it's a good looking shoe, and I like some of the details that they added to this one. I'll kind of point this out if you want to go check some of the details right now. That was a solid voice crack, but you kind of see the Undefeated logo with the Nike swoosh through it. That's on the insoles right there, and also you got the Undefeated logo kind of on like the toe, not the toe tag, like the shoe tag right here, I guess, or the tongue right here. You can see it right there. It's like the Undefeated logo is on it. It doesn't really show it close up. You also got the Nike symbol. Just, I like how they did this one, and you got also the kind of OG Air Max thing right here. I like how they did it. So personally, I would like to get a pair of these, but I'm sure it won't be easy because I'm actually thinking people like these ones a lot more than the other ones. So aside from that, the resale and the kind of the small details when it's dropping retail, and kind of my opinion on like if it's a sell or hold, I personally again think you could hold these maybe for like a little 6 months, maybe into the summertime. You could see a little rise, but if there's just a normal UCLA colorway of Air Max 97s, then there's no point in holding these ones in my opinion. Just kind of sell it and flip it for the most right now, because I wouldn't see it rising much more unless it was kind of over the course of a long time. But we'll kind of get into showing you guys how you can cop off sneakers right now. So I kind of always discuss this again. If you don't know how to cop off sneakers and you're really kind of confused about it, I have a really good video kind of showing you guys how you can cop off sneakers, and you can go check this one down below. It kind of explains all the details on how you can make Chrome profiles to, you know, make multiple profiles on sneakers manually. It just like, and also kind of setting up multiple accounts on sneakers, kind of showing you all how it works, like how sneakers works as a lottery system and all that. Like, you know, the more accounts you have and the more accounts you enter with in each drop, then the more kind of like tickets you got in each drop, and that's how you like enter. So this video kind of explains all that, really shows you how to do it, and you know, I personally like it. I mean, it's my own video, so you know, I'm gonna just kind of give, you know, say, you know, go check this one out, but I'll link it in the description if you guys again do not know how to cop off sneakers. This one kind of shows you how to do that down below, so you can go check that. But aside from that video, again, it's linked down below. I also have this notepad right here. This notepad right here, if you haven't screenshotted this, again, it just kind of is like a notepad breaking down some of the basic things you would need for sneakers if like you know, you're using multiple accounts, because the method I discuss in the video is making multiple accounts. So right here again, it's like talking about how you don't need proxies if you need, like, it's actually, this is like 4+ devices, so I'm actually going to edit this, but you don't need proxies if you need 4+ devices, really. Like if you're just running on 4 different phones, you don't need proxies for that. And also it's proxies are specific for like computers, like if you're running on multiple computer profiles like on Chrome, but it'd really be only if you're using like a browser tool too, or maybe using like a bot like NSB or something. What we're going to get into breaking down bots very soon, so stay tuned on that. Going to be having some manual bot guides coming soon on the channel once I learn it a bit more. I'm probably going to hop on a call today for that. But aside from that and the kind of how to cop off sneakers portion right there, some other ways that you guys would be able to cop a sneaker just like this one, again, is shout out to my boys at Secret Sauce right here. These guys are really great, and they can help you cop releases. They can run slots for members, and they also provide like insider info, kind of monitors that have like early links for places like Kith, JD Sports, and other like foot sites, places where it'd be really useful for a manual user to go check out, so manual users can have success. Like a lot of people had success on the Bodega Dunk High because they had like an early link, I think, for the Bodega Dunks, and that was like a site again that has really good success for manual users, and like they kind of had that advice for it. So they are a $60 monthly fee, but I want to explain to you guys it is 100% worth it. And the reason that it is worth it, again, is because you guys can make that feedback so quick. Like when I say you can up your resale game really big in this video, like here, I'll even show you guys right now. Like here, all right, here's some proof. Ready? Look how many investments now I have since I joined Secret Sauce. There, that's like 13. There you go. So I wasn't really into sneaker investing, but there's 13 sneaker investments for you that I've gotten in like a few months right there, just from, you know, messing with Secret Sauce. So shout out them, you know, for putting me on right there. But aside from that, how the slots would kind of work again, and this is what would work to help you guys really cop, again, is because these slots, what they do basically is they're tickets in the Discord, and the tickets in the Discord, how they work is basically once you guys would join and get in, you maybe hit them up a few days before a certain drop, be like, yo, you guys running tickets for this drop? And they're like, yeah, and you get a chance to run a ticket with them. Basically, how the tickets work is that you can run with multiple people. Like there's different people that are trusted in that like Discord that are running like tickets, aside from like, you know, just like the Secret Sauce ones, but again, they're all in there, so you know, once you join, you get access to them. But basically, if you get a chance to run them, then what you would do basically is that they would drop a form for like that drop, and you would fill out your payment and shipping info. Again, I've done this multiple times, and it's safe. And then basically they'd put this in their bots and then go cop releases for you, and it's super dope how they do it. Like it's crazy, and they've caught me so much stuff. Like there's Mortal Kombat Arcade there too. That's another thing. You know, these investments I just kind of been stacking on myself, but they kind of give me some guidance on them, and that's why I wanted to show you guys those right there. But shout out them if you're interested in joining the kind of Twitter and the Discord down below. How you guys would really do this again is just go message them on Twitter and be like, yo, Tristan sent me, how can I get into the Discord? And that's it, you know, a way that you guys can kind of get in. Again, it's exclusive, they don't let everybody in, but that's how you guys can do do it, and they can really help a lot of people cook right there. So huge shout out to them. They're linked below. And yeah, again, more info on this Undefeated Nike drop. Again, I kind of checked sneaker news, and there is no info on anywhere else that this is dropping. There's nothing on Undefeated's Instagram about these dropping. There's about the other ones that are kind of going for, you know, like 220, 240-ish, I think, right now. Again, I haven't really checked on those ones, but I see these ones, again, doing well, kind of around that 240, 280 range, as I said earlier. But if it does drop on the Undefeated site, potentially, again, what you guys could do is just search up Air Max 97 on their website. Obviously, make an account before you do that, so you can save some info and like save some info on the Chrome profile, like in the in like your preferences. You can make an autofill right there, but also you just really can refresh right here, refresh Air Max 97 until like at like 8 a.m. on like the January 8th again, because they usually drop the same day as Snkrs drops. So since they drop the same day as Snkrs drops, what you would really do again is just refresh here between like 8 and 10 a.m. and see if they end up dropping it here on Undefeated. But I don't know if they will. I haven't seen any info on it. But actually, again, how you guys would cop this Undefeated UCLA Air Max 97 right here. It will be harder to get, but it's definitely going to be worth it if you cop it. And I'd love to just get a pair of these for the personal. These are just dope. I like these. So I'm going to end the screen recording right there. And that's what you guys can cop right there. So let's roll the outro. Anyways, if you guys want more content just like this video right here, feel free to go ahead and subscribe below and also drop a like. You guys know I will be posting plenty of more content like this. Just stay tuned. I got a lot of videos coming. I wish I could like be doing more like in-hand sneaker investment videos, but the thing is that like I'm about to go to college and like move in person to college again, so I'm gonna have to like move some of my investments that I think I'm gonna sell like while I'm at college there, and I'm gonna have to like you know, like leave certain ones here, and also like I don't really have like a shipping address right now, so like with these Snkrs drops, I'm just gonna be shipping them back home. But it's like the ones that I buy, I better hope that like you know, there's some type like of investments I just leave in the box. But yeah, that's really a lot of info right there that I just said. So again, if you haven't subscribed and liked, I think I already said that, but yeah, you know, 200 likes, that's the goal. And also, if you want to just go join my Discord down below, that is in the description, so I'd appreciate it if you guys would do that. But that's all I'm gonna say. I'm T. Thank you all for watching. Much love, and I'm gonna see you all in the next video, hopefully. Peace.
Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the tea. Now water can flow or it can crash. And water, my friend,